The buzz around Apple's iPhone 17 lineup is building fast, and now thanks to a fresh leak, we finally get to see just how Apple plans to shake up the series in 2024. This time, it's all about the size, the shape, and a surprise new ultra-thin model that could set a whole new standard for design in the premium smartphone world. A newly leaked image making the rounds online shows the screen protectors for every iPhone 17 model laid out side by side. For Apple fans who always debate which size is right, this is the clearest look yet at how next-generation iPhones will compare, not just to each other, but to last year's models as well. And the biggest headline is this: Apple is saying goodbye to the iPhone 16 Plus. In its place, Apple is launching the iPhone 17 Air. The Air is more than just a name, it's all about thinness. According to the leak, the iPhone 17 Air is set to be almost 30% thinner than the outgoing Plus model, measuring just over 0.2 of an inch thick. That's stunningly slim, one of the thinnest premium phones Apple has ever created. And there's no compromise on screen size. The iPhone 17 Air offers a 6.6-inch display, making it slightly more compact than the old Plus model, but still large enough for gaming, watching films or getting real work done. This new Air model fits perfectly right between the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. The regular iPhone 17 sits at 6.1 inches, serving those who want something light, small, and easy to handle one-handed. The Pro gets a bump to 6.3 inches, striking a modern balance between screen space and comfort. And then there's the mighty Pro Max, stretching all the way to a 6.9-inch display for those who want the biggest possible canvas. When you look at the lineup, the Air settles exactly in the middle. Not huge and heavy, but offering more than just the basics. It's a design for people who want style, pocketability, and a big screen all at once. But size and thinness aren't the only changes on the way. The leak also reveals Apple's new antenna solution for the Pro models, and this is a bigger upgrade than most people realize. Now Apple is moving the antennas around the much larger reimagined camera bar on the back. This is all about practicality. By clustering the antennas near the camera module, Apple minimizes the risk of the user's hand blocking the signal. With less signal drop and stronger, more stable connections to both cellular and next-generation Wi-Fi, this design could mean clearer calls, faster downloads, and much more reliable connectivity, especially in the Pro and Pro Max models. Combining all this, Apple's strategy for 2024 is clear. It isn't just about making a phone that looks new, it's about refining every dimension of the user experience. With an ultra-thin mid-size Air model, a range of choices from compact to extra-large, and a totally reworked antenna system for better day-to-day performance, Apple is making the iPhone lineup more personal, more functional, and just more fun. What's even more interesting is how these size options make the decision easier. If you were always caught between regular and Plus, now the Air might be just the right fit. Big display, but absolutely feather-light. If you want a compact powerhouse, the standard iPhone 17 remains your best bet. And if you're after the complete no-compromise flagship, the Pro and Pro Max models continue to lead the way. Of course, with all of these changes still based on leaked images and pre-release rumors, things could shift before the official announcement. But if Apple sticks to this plan, the iPhone 17 series will set a new tone for premium smartphones, sleeker, smarter, and better connected than ever. The official announcement is expected on September 9th, and as we get closer, I'll be watching for every new detail, hands-on leak, and official spec drop. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on because I'll be breaking it all down the moment it happens right here. Thanks for listening and get ready, the iPhone 17 era is almost here.